Dear Mufti Menk, Assalamu alaikum. I hope this message finds you in the best of health and faith. I am sending the message to you with a deep sense of urgency and concern regarding the ongoing plight of our brothers and sisters in Palestine. Allah the Almighty has blessed you with a unique and powerful voice, capable to delivering impactful speeches in both Arabic and English that resonate with millions globally. Your talks have been a source of guidance and awakening for countless people. At this critical time, we are witnessing the relentless aggression against innocent Palestinians, with the situation escalating the point where there are discussions of a complete takeover of Gaza. It is profoundly disheartening to see that while people in non-Muslim countries are raising their voices in massive protests, all the Muslim nations appear to be standing by in silence. As you are well aware of powerful hadith narrated in Sahih Bukhari, Al-Muslim Akhul Muslim, La yadhlimuhu wa la yuslimuhu. A Muslim is the brother of another Muslim. He does not wrong him, nor does he forsake him to an oppressor. This hadith underscores the profound responsibility we have towards one another as a global community. Therefore, we humbly and respectfully appeal to you to deliver a strong address on this issue. Your words have the power to ignite a much needed awakening among both the leaders and the people of Muslim nations, encouraging them to fulfill their duty and stand in solidarity with the oppressed people of Palestine. May Allah the Almighty grant you the strength and wisdom to continue your vital work. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera.